How to create Amazon Jobs account. First thing first, open up any web browser on your PC, and then from here you're just gonna have to search for Amazon Jobs. Then hit enter. You're gonna have to click on the first link that you see, www.amazon.jobs. Open up that link, and then from here you will be able to see different options here. And at the top right, you click here. And if you want to log in, you just click on Join Us right here. Now from here, click on the sign in option at the top right. And it will guide you to another page where you have to enter your email address or password to create an Amazon Jobs account. So simply go ahead and enter your email address. And then from here, you're going to have to create a new password. And once you have done that, you should be able to confirm your new password. And once that is done, you can just click on Create Account, and you'll have to verify your email. And once that is done, you are going to have to just verify the email and your account will be registered. Or you could just use your Amazon account or continue with your Google as well. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.